Sales funnel template and examples for 2022. Shaped like a funnel to illustrate the journey from a wide mass of prospects to a select few actual customers, a sales funnel communicates to your team your business's sales strategy. No matter how your type of business attracts customers, all potential customers are likely to ask similar questions and undertake similar steps toward determining whether or not they will buy from you. A sales funnel can help train and prepare your sales team or help you understand your product and sales experience from the perspective of your customer. All sales funnels are made up of a series of steps your prospective customers take as they funnel from the mass of all targeted customers to become a qualified lead, and eventually make an actual purchase. When the customer demonstrates a preference or a desire to choose your product over others, you've reached the desire stage. The basic structure of any sales funnel includes 3 main levels: the top, middle and bottom. Action follows when the customer either starts a trial or actually purchases the product. Top of the funnel. 1. The top of the funnel is the widest section since it contains the huge mass of potential customers you target with advertising as you raise awareness about your product. At this stage, you begin by researching your prospective customers and then targeting them using online ads, content marketing, cold calls and emails to turn them into leads. Middle of the funnel. 2. You enter the decision stage with your prospective customer when you begin sending proposals or quotes and negotiating terms. At this point, your prospect has decided that they like your product or service, but needs to make the final decision if they want to actually purchase. Bottom of the funnel. 3. Finally, you enter the action stage when you are closing the deal with your new customer. This is the decision-making stage for your prospective customers and is the time you need to prove your value and build trust in order to separate yourself from competitors. Free sales funnel template. 4. A great help in visualizing the steps each team member should take to close their deals. Providing your team with a